Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today I want to go to river walk. So let's go to river walk. We are next to the river walk. It's from South Africa. Like you can just walk, and there's so much river. Okay, let's go. Let's open the key first. Let's open the door. We have the key because we bought the key. Oh, it's so cold here outside. In South Africa, it's like spring. Like in the morning, it's hot and cold. So I will show you the thing. God, we are finally at river walk. Looks so cool. The rivers. This is like you can come anytime and you can come anytime you want in this river walk. Anytime you like, morning, afternoon, and night. And 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock it's like closed. You can't go at 9 o'clock, so that's okay. We don't care. I tried a lot of times. I break the rule hundreds of times in river walk. This is don't on the cycle. Don't ride that speedily, like very speedily. I did that, but no one stopped me. You can break the rules if you want. Guys, I like this thing. I like this plants. I like the river. I like the river cold. Okay, now let's go. Let's go to run. Let's get that bird. If you can see that bird. Good for you. Oh, so cold today. I just woke up. My mom's like, come on, let's go to river walk. I was like, okay. Guys, this place is so fun. I can show you also there. Look, the birds. Hello, buddy. This is our house. This one is our house. If you go very, very straight, turn right, you're gonna see 48. That's our house. Hello, birds. God, look, the birds are just running away. Hello, buddy. Yo. They look at me. God, they're looking at me. I think they're gonna park me. Hush. Listen, go to my Jack and Kanan YouTube channel, subscribe, and you're gonna see my YouTube channel, okay? They say nothing. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you to watch my video. My funny part is like, thank you to watch my video, you birds. Thank you to watch my video. Like and subscribe, and share, and comment. If I don't have any comment, bye.